Correct.
Acid basis salts, the chapter we had, and that was a chapter we had to study on daily basis, and we still used to forget it. But then doing the practical work, we used to practice it, and whenever I used to learn the stuff, I used to imagine the stuff I did in the lab. So that made it easy, quite easy for me.
In Chem, we really discover a lot in practical, cause I am really fond of discovering new elements in Chem.
You cannot learn equations, that's the end of the thing. The way, and if you study an equation in the morning, 100% you are going to forget about it. But the only way that it can be retained in your memory if you practice every day. So one thing that I always told them, I don't care how busy you are, you have to spare 20 to 30 minutes every day and devote it to some part of Chem.
Earlier I used to find mole concept very tough, but with a little practice it had improved, and now I never used to study it, so now it's fine.
How did I teach you oxidation and reduction? What did I tell you?
It was Leo Lion said girl.
Leo Lion said girl. So what does Leo stand for? Dimple?
Loss of oxygen.
Loss
of electrons is oxidization, and GER is for gain of electrons, that is reduction. GER, GER. कोयल ने कहा मुगले आजम, जिंदगी बड़ी पुरानी हो गई है, आंटी पागल औरत. So that was the entire chemical series, and our class made it. So
their class only came up with it. I have nothing to do with it. But I had asked them to learn the reactivity series. So it is like potassium, sodium, calcium, and so on. So with each first letter of the element, they came up with some word. Like it's Koyal ne kaha. So Koyal, K is potassium, ne, N is sodium, kaha, C is calcium, and so on it. Sodium hydroxide. Now when ammonium sulfate is treated with ammonium hydroxide.
So I used to take all the tips she gave me, I used to write them down, and I used to practice every day with mole concept, with the practical work, and I know in my boards I will get a 90+ in my boards now.
It's not a subject to mug up. All you need is confidence, and you can do anything you want.